In this video, we will learn how to combine sheet quickly in Excel sheet. So let's start. Open your Excel sheet and go to the Home tab. Then click on the Add-ins option, and here click on the More Add-ins option. Okay. Then click on the Education categories. You can see here the Education categories, and select the Sort by and rating. Okay, sort by rating. So you can select the highest rating app only. Okay, so I select here the combined sheet. Okay, this also highest rating. Just click on it and click on add. Before that, you can read this description and additional information. So just click on the add to click on the continue to add this in Excel sheet. So here the combined sheets is added in Home tab. So the right hand side you can see here the combined sheet. So some details here the mention the simple and easy tool to combine the multiple worksheet into one. So it's really helpful to quickly combine the multiple sheet. Just click on the get start and it's ready to use. So select the sheet. Here in your Excel sheet, in Excel sheet have a two sheet A and B. Both sheet have a same data. Okay, select the sheets. These are the A and B. If you have a more than two sheet, you can see here the all sheet names. Okay, so select the sheets. So I select the first one and select the second one. After select the first one, press the control key of the keyboard, then select the second and click on the combine sheet option. It's done. The both sheet is combined quickly. And if you want to refresh the worksheet, just click on the refresh, and now you can combine another sheets also. Okay, there are some drop down arrow for more option. Just click on it, and here are some more option. To remove the duplicate, just click on the remove duplicate. You are about to remove duplicate from the combined sheet. Yes, just click on it. So all data is removed because both sheet is same. You can see here these sheets A and sheet number B. So both sheet data have a same. And remove sheet also added also here, and after the remove duplicate data is here and combine is here. The both data is same, therefore one data is removed and one data is here. Okay, so this is a way you can remove duplicate also by using this combined sheet add-ins. And delete generated sheet, just click on the delete and you can just generate it combined and remove both will delete it. Just click on yes, the both sheet it's deleted. Okay, and click on the setting. There are some option. Include the first row data. If you don't want to include this when you click on the remove duplicate, so you just deselect this option. Okay, and copy source formatting. If you want to copy the formatting, same formatting when you combine the both sheet, you can just click on the second option, and other option you can use as per your requirement. Okay, so hope you understand. So this is a way you can quickly combine the sheet in your Excel sheet by using these add-ins. So if you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.